To start with, we're going to look at this question here from the 2019 June exam for D1. This is question 4, which is about critical path analysis and the answers. So the question asks, a project is modelled by the activity network shown in figure 3. The activities are represented by the arcs. The number in brackets on each arc gives the time required in hours to complete the corresponding activity. The numbers in circles are the event numbers. So for part A, we need to explain the significance of the dummy activity from event 2 to event 3 and from event 6 to event 7. So let's start by looking at events 2 to 3. Here we can see there is this dummy activity. Okay, so we want to know why did we need a dummy activity here. Well, we can see that from event 1 we follow A up to event 2 and B to event 3. 2 then has this dummy connecting to 3, which then follows on, and we have F and G, these two activities occurring. So obviously what is happening here is F cannot start until both A and B are completed. Likewise, G cannot start until both A and B have been completed. So what we say here is, from 2 to 3, F and G cannot start until A and B have been completed. Okay, so F and G cannot start until A and B have been completed, hence we need this dummy activity. The next dummy activity is this one here, from 6 to 7. So looking at this one, let's look what leads to there. We've got activity J and activity K. Now both of these are going from event 4. Both of these are leading to event 7. And there's nothing in between. So what's happening here is we have J and K both starting at the same point, both wanting to finish at the same point. Now we know that we can't have two activities ending at the same event. So we create event 6, which then only has a dummy path leading to event 7. So here, the dummy path is required so that activities K and J can start at the same time, but not go to the same event. Okay. If we didn't have this dummy activity, they would both end at the same event while starting from the same event, which we cannot have. So we needed to have this extra event, this extra dummy activity, so that J and K can happen at the same time, end up at the same place. So that is question A.